everybody, happy Saturday. I wanted to share with you a business and technical writing tip for producing long documents and presenting them to clients, your manager, or even the CEO of your company that you work for. What I like to do is I like to start off with the table of contents because this will provide an outline of headings, subheadings, and appendices that you plan on putting in the document. Imagine you have 1 week to produce a document and you get halfway through the week and you present what you have so far and your manager, your boss, or your client isn't really happy with the results. You're gonna have to go all the way back and try to cram all your time to get it right. With the table of contents, it gives you an opportunity to build a rapport, come up with new ideas, and add and subtract topics so that you can produce an amazing document. So I hope you have a great weekend, and I hope this tip helps you